We are battling Lego BattleBots. Also fun, you get to make new friends, you get to have connections with everyone, help people build. If they're down, you can pick people up.
Well, the nice thing is they have to engineer their own BattleBots. Some of them can use a blueprint that's already there. Some of them can free build, and then they can see how strong they engineered their BattleBot to be. During the battles, they've already had 2 days of battles. This is the final battle. They get to re-engineer their BattleBots to see which one can be stronger for the battle.
You get butterflies in your stomach because you don't know who's going to win, who's going to lose, what's going to happen. And just now, he got flipped, and I didn't know that was going to happen, so it's a wild ride.